Health experts report whooping cough cases are on the rise, officially declaring an outbreak here in Lexington.
Allie Root joins us now in studio to explain how you can protect your children and loved ones from this highly contagious respiratory illness.
The Lexington Fayette County Health Department says 7 new cases of whooping cough have popped up just in this last week. So as you and your children dive into summer activities, health experts say it's incredibly important to monitor your health carefully. Fox 56 medical expert Dr. Ryan Stanton says whooping cough cases often show up in clusters throughout the year. According to the Lexington Fayette County Health Department, the county is now up to 21 confirmed cases reported since April 26th. Stanton says symptoms can be severe.
It's so aggressive that there is a huge inspiratory drive afterwards that makes that whooping sound. So if you imagine if you breathe in really hard, that's the sound that whooping cough makes. And it's because you get so short of breath.
Dr. Stanton says whooping cough is high risk for newborns and the elderly, but most cases are found in upper middle and lower high school age children. That's why he says up-to-date Tdap vaccines are key.
The tetanus, diphtheria, and acellular pertussis. This is the one you get when you cut yourself, but unfortunately, we get them pretty regularly as children as we grow. But once we're an adult, we're not as prone to accidents.
Fayette County Public Schools Health Services Coordinator says this is the first time in 10 years she's seen this many cases in the area. Debbie Bowen says some people are behind on getting their vaccinations.
We had a bit of a hiccup during the pandemic. A lot of our children may have missed their vaccine due dates, so we're kind of playing a little bit of catch up. And we're hoping that getting the vaccines will help.
This is a reason Bowen says the school system plans to offer mobile clinic appointments for families over the summer. As you participate in summer activities, Bowen says it's also important to listen to your body for the protection of yourself and others.
Any kind of respiratory issue, and especially if you have a fever, don't go to school, don't go to work, stay home, take care of yourself, and try to get yourself better before you go back in.
If you or your child is diagnosed with whooping cough, health experts like Dr. Stanton say it can be treated with antibiotics, but they must be administered within the first week or two in order to be effective. Live in studio, Allie Root, Fox 56 News.